Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 650R. This bike is in such great shape and has a lot of really cool extra features on it. It's a twin-cylinder 650cc liquid cooled. It has fuel injection, so it starts up easy on a cold morning, or if you take it up in the mountains, it's going to run beautifully. Liquid cooling makes it last a long time. Beautiful sporty styling, yet lightweight, great fuel economy. This bike's got some nice upgrades, including a fender eliminator kit, an aero exhaust system. It has a power commander to take full advantage of that aero exhaust system. It has adjustable levers on the handlebars. Really beautiful, sexy red color. Only $49.99. Come by, check it out. Make your sport bike motorcycle dreams come true on this 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 650R. For $49.99. It only has 6,500 miles on it. We have financing available, extended service contracts. Come by, check it out. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the Corbin seat. That's a very high-end seat. Gives you long comfort on long rides. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sport. Oh, by the way, let me start it up for you so you can see what it sounds like. It really sounds cool. Aero exhaust. Come by, check it out. Ninja 650R. Thank you. Contra Costa Power Sports.